Hi everyone. So we are going to discuss one of the small topic, which is a 5 marks question, that is mammalia. So in this module we are going to discuss what is mammalia and what are their features, the characteristic features. So generally mammalia nothing but a type of vertebrates. So these vertebrates are highly evolved on this earth and surviving successfully. So we can conclude that mammalia organisms are the dominant organisms on the remaining all organisms. So these are highly evolved, multicellular, highly complex. So each and every cell it is provided by the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and that is highly complex, double helix, nucleotides, nucleosides, purines, pyrimidines, nitrogen base, and the different types of complex bonds are evolved, and that DNA it could give the chance, that opportunity to that cell or that tissue or that organ system, finally to that organism to be survive successfully on the land as well as inside the water and in the air also. So terrestrial, aquatic, aerial, so all type of habitats occupied by this mammalia. So these are highly evolved DNA possessing organisms and which makes the adaptation, in the sense surviving nature of every organism on this earth. So different organisms they have different adaptations based upon their habitat. So nothing but cosmopolitan type of adaptations we can be seen. These are remote organisms, nothing but mobile. So forelimbs, hind limbs. In some type of organisms the limbs are modified into wings. In some type of organisms the something, what that is called, forelimbs are modified into fins, that is aquatic mammals or else aerial mammals or else terrestrial mammals. So different types of mammals they have mobility, and that mobility is under the control of different types of limbs or the special structures. Those all are you might have been learnt already in lower classes. Homologous analogous organs. Homo in the sense structurally same, functionally differ. Then analogous in the sense functionally same, structurally differ. You knew that already. So here mobility or the locomotion or the remote feature we could be seen in mammalia. Then coming to the nervous system, CNS, ANS and PNS, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, autonomous nervous system, especially the CPU, the controlling station or head of the body of organism, that is called brain, or it is also known as encephalon. It is highly developed and larger, especially the hemisphere is the broader, and the convolutions, Gyri and Sulci also, the number is numerous and huge, because that convolutions or the hemisphere of the brain is responsible for possessing the nerves. So that nerves and spinal cord and the brain is highly developed in mammalia, and these are warm blooded especially. So we knew what is mean by cold blooded and warm blooded. Cold blooded nothing but organisms which are able to or capable to change their body temperature according to the environment or their habitat. But here warm blooded in the sense, example, humans comes under mammalia, our body temperature is constant. All type of mammals body temperature is constant. So they are unable to change their body temperature according to the environment temperature. So body temperature is a constant. So those are called warm blooded. And cochlea, spirally arranged cochlea is highly well developed. So in the sense internal ear. So inside the internal ear, spiral cochlea we could see in the mammals. This is a spirally coiled cochlea. It is not well developed in the lower levels of organisms. And hairy skin, we knew the mammal's body skin has or possessing hair, we could have been seen. So the hair plays major role in the sensing in nature and controlling the body temperature and the changes which are taking place in the atmosphere. So hair plays major role on the skin. And waterproof body, waterproof in the sense it's not like a umbrella or something, waterproof in the sense tolerate. So different types of mammals in the sense especially aquatic mammals or else whatever they are living inside the water. So those organisms body, it has the capability to withstand against the water whenever they are being or living inside their aquatic habitat. So that is called waterproof body in the sense withstand to survive in the water. That is called waterproof body. Then pinna. So the external ear of organism is called pinna. This is also called external ear, which is made by cartilage. So in the mammalia or the mammals, clear structure of this pinna we can be seen. This is one of the characteristic feature. And next one, eyelids. So eyebrows, eyeball, eyelids, eyelashes combined together called an eye. So one pair of eyes, they have well developed and prominent eyelids and which are provided with eyelashes for the protection of the eyeballs and the proper vision and A to Z aspects. This is one of the characteristic feature of mammalia. Then alive young ones, these are mostly viviparous, very rare ovoviviparous. So mostly the young ones or the newborn organisms are alive. Sometimes due to the unfavorable circumstances, both mother and young one may die, but 99.9% all young ones which will be given birth by mother organisms are alive. This is one of the characteristic feature. And next one, integumentary glands. Integumentary glands in the sense sweat glands, sebaceous glands, ceruminous glands, scent glands, pheromones glands. So such type of different glands are located in a different mammals organisms or body. So these all are responsible for communication with the same species of other organisms and also what it is called breeding purpose to attract the female organisms according to the particular species. So these all integumentary glands are helpful. So final one, these are capable to feed the young ones by the milk. So suckling. So young ones they can show the suckling process. Why? Because mammalia in the sense mammary glands, organisms which are possessing the mammary glands and they are capable to feed the milk to their young one. So here bat is considered as a flying mammal. This whale and sharks and etc. they are considered as aquatic mammals, and monkeys and different types of organisms are aerial mammals, and humans and remaining harmful and what it is called cow, buffalo, whatever it may be, the familiar organisms whichever they are capable to give milk, cat, dog, etc., those all are called terrestrial mammals. So here dolphins and whales and sharks, these all are mammals. How? In the sense, in their body the eggs are hatched, later the young ones are what it is called eliminated out or uh, give birth by the mother shark or whales or dolphins, because those are called ovoviviparous. So such type of a huge information and points we can be discussed, dear everyone. So these are the main aspects or points under the mammalia topic. Thank you.